Welcome to this quick start video to help you get started with your new MiTouch interactive touchscreen. The MiTouch will initially start up using the built-in wireless Android operating system. From this screen you can use the built-in apps to open and annotate common Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF documents, and also to surf the internet. It also has a whiteboard here which you can write on and do whatever you require. There are a number of tools there that you can use also. And we'll just go into all apps just to show you what apps are come with the MiTouch. And these are the apps that come initially with the MiTouch. Very importantly, the Play Store is here, which will allow you to load your own apps, whatever you choose yourself. We've loaded a couple of extra apps as well, which include AirPin, which will allow you to connect tablets and phones wirelessly to the MiTouch, RTE Player, and probably most usefully is AirTV, which allows you to view any of the Irish channels. So if you just click on that one there, that will give you the...
You too can enjoy.
We won't dwell too much on it, but it will allow you to get any of the channels that you would like. When you want to connect to external devices, you may, we have a PlayStation connected here. So if you click on this HDMI 1 connection, you go to the PlayStation. Go back home again when you want to get out of it. We have a laptop connected, and the laptop of course is very useful because the apps, you can use your apps directly on the screen, but if you've got programs that are PC programs, you will need to have a laptop or PC, and these will have all your programs on it. And we also have a very extensive piece of software, again a whiteboard software, but with a lot more tools to allow you to explore and demonstrate much better. Now this little home button is programmable so that you can put in whatever programs that you would like to get to quickly. So for instance, a whiteboard, if you want to get to the whiteboard, we have our whiteboard here again. It comes straight up into it. And another one we have programmed here is the AirTV. So we go straight back into the TV program. And again, if we want to choose a different program, we simply do that. And if we want the internet, then we just click the browser button, and you can surf the internet again wirelessly. And so there's the basics of the MiTouch. Getting started with it, there's a lot more, but in a few minutes that should give you enough ideas to get you started. So thank you very much for viewing this quick video.